Hello everyone, my name is Aldan Hakim Tusuria and I'm excited to share with you our project proposal from Illuminative Minds. Our goal is to bridge the education gap across Africa by providing affordable, future-ready online learning and real-world opportunities regardless of location or income. This is the great team that I've been working with to come up with this great solution. So, African nations continually face a critical and escalating challenge in providing equitable access to quality education, and this is particularly for children from low-income households and rural communities. This issue is profoundly driven by a range of factors, to mention but a few: significant financial barriers, cultural norms that undervalue girls' education, and outdated curricula failing to equip students with 21st century skills. So there is urgent and innovative action that is needed to address these challenges. The product goal is to provide inclusive and equitable access to quality education in rural areas with limited internet connectivity by empowering local and international volunteers through a mobile learning platform with offline capabilities. The user persona is primary school children in remote and rural areas, local community members willing to volunteer, and international volunteers passionate about education access. The user needs and pain points include: our user lacks regular access to school facilities. Our user cannot afford internet or mobile data even. Our user wants to learn in their local language to better understand what they're studying. Our user lacks qualified teachers in their region. Our user wants interactive offline learning, and our user feels isolated in the learning process. So we decided to come up with a solution by creating a mobile low data education app that works offline and connects students with local and international volunteers to support their learning journey in rural areas. The key features of this learning app is that to have offline downloadable lessons, local language support, video content from global volunteers, volunteer onboarding and coordination tools, local learning hubs for shared device access. The KPIs: 500 app downloads in rural communities, 100 plus children to complete at least one full learning module, 50 local and international volunteers to be engaged, and this must be active. For the constraints and ethical considerations, we have the risk of over-reliance on foreign volunteers. We plan to mitigate this by empowering and training local facilitators to lead in this implementation. We also have a constraint of limited access to smartphones, and we strategize by partnering with local hubs to provide shared devices. The assumption is that users are motivated to learn if content is accessible offline. That's our wireframe screenshots, and you can see this is more like a mobile app or website that comes up to show that students can learn and people can donate, volunteers can come in both from the international and local, and also we have a news page and success stories from some of our students who have benefited from the program. And we also encourage people to enroll the students and the different resources. So there's a student hub, study hub students portal where students are encouraged to register so that they can track their performance and studies. And also all this works together to overcome the problem we just talked about. Thank you once again. My name is Aldan Hakim Tusuria, and we're happy that you've come this far with us during this presentation. God bless you.